Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the 0x80D03002 error in the Microsoft Store and Xbox app. This error typically prevents app downloads or updates, but follow these steps to resolve it. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet is stable. A slow connection can cause sync issues with the Store or Xbox app. Step 2. Sign out and sign back in. Sign out of your Microsoft account in the Microsoft Store or Xbox app, then sign back in. Step 3. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters, and select Windows Store Apps. Run the troubleshooter and follow the instructions. Step 4. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Win+R, type stressit.exe, and press Enter. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache. Step 5. Check for Windows updates. Ensure your system is up to date by going to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and installing any pending updates. Step 6. Reset or reinstall the apps. Go to Settings, Apps, select Microsoft Store and Xbox app, and reset them. If needed, uninstall and reinstall them via the Microsoft Store. Step 7. Check Xbox services. Press Win+R, type services.msc, and ensure the following services are running. Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Networking Service, Xbox Game Monitoring. Conclusion. These steps should help resolve the 0x80D03002 error in the Microsoft Store or Xbox app. If this video helped, like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.